Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious brioche French toast that are more of a dessert item than a breakfast dish. So first of all, we're going to roughly slice 4 strawberries and 8 raspberries into halves. Next, I'm going to pop all the berries into a bowl and add half a tablespoon of sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Give this a good mix and refrigerate it until it's time to use. I'm going to go ahead and crack an egg into a plate, followed by 2 tablespoons of milk and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix this thoroughly, otherwise you're going to have sugar granules sitting at the bottom when you dip your slices. I'm taking a brioche loaf from which I'm going to cut out 3 slices roughly an inch in thickness. To cook the toast, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of olive oil to a frying pan and letting it heat on a medium to low heat. I'm going to give the egg mixture a quick mix just to ensure there is no sugar sitting at the bottom. The key for getting perfect French toasts every time is not to soak the bread into the egg mixture for too long. If you do that, they're going to turn out soggy. Once the bread is looking nice and toasty on one side, flip it over and let it cook on the other side. Once they're good to go, I'm going to spread some Nutella on each of the slices. You can add jam or whatever spread you like. So to assemble, I usually like to stack them up high and add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, followed by the berries we kept aside earlier. Finally, I'm going to add 2 scoops of homemade vanilla ice cream. You can use clotted cream or creme fraiche if you like. I'm sure you guys can tell how excited I was to eat this. I'm holding the knife upside down. I'm telling you guys, you're going to love this recipe, and if you do, please subscribe to my channel, follow me on my social media. Till the next time, see you later.